So today I'm actually bringing you guys um, a good update on how you can move on trading gold. Yeah, let me say a strategy that you can use to trade gold perfectly. So as we all can see, gold has been on an uptrend for a long period of time. As you can see here, gold has been on an uptrend for a long period of time. So yeah, I just cut out some parts in order to show us how this strategy works. I think yeah, with this strategy you can be able to leverage on these moves. So one thing you need to notice that or you need to be aware of is that this strategy actually works on a trending market. Once it comes to a market that is massively trending, let me say either uptrend or downtrend. So it doesn't work actively or effectively well on the ranging market or yeah on the rest of it. So without wasting much time, so let's go about this strategy. Yeah, I don't have to come and start saying this is what it is, this is what it is. So that was why I just decided to use the replay tool so that it can look like we are trading the market on an we are trading the market live. Like we don't know what have happened earlier. Like we are just trading it like together with you. So now I'm going to use this replay tool here, to play market like it's actually live. Although this area, I think when this area, okay, let me just say this is just yeah earlier October and the rest of it. Yeah. So what you need to notice that due to how gold has been moving on a higher time frame, it can be difficult for you to be catching moves, or it can be difficult for gold to actually come to your 1 hour or 30 minutes or 4 hours other blocks and the rest of them because waiting for gold to give massive retracement towards the downside. Yeah, you can wait a whole lot of days and it haven't happened. So that is why this strategy before you can go for it, you need to focus on the minute 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, so let's just play price and see and can trade along with it. As you can see, this price activity trade moving. So once I see an opportunity, I'll just hop in and I'll show you the reason why I'm hopping in. Yeah, let me zoom it and make it a bit faster. Yeah. Yeah, so this just like the market is moving actively. And what am I looking for? I'm just waiting for a good opportunity for me to take advantage of the move. As you can see, the market is uptrending. So what am I waiting for? I'm looking for an opportunity. And once I get this opportunity, I'll show you how it comes about and how you can actively use it in the live trading market. Okay, now I've seen one. Now you can see here, although this is not a very nice one, but this is actually part of it. So as you can see here, we're actually know that gold is massively trending up, so we don't need to start looking for sales or anything. Like what you should be focusing on is looking for buy opportunities. So you can see immediately this market has been moving actively, and what am I looking for? A buy opportunity. This market gave me a break from this high, giving me an impulsive candle. This impulsive candle that seems like a fair value gap. Look at it from here. If you know what the fair value gap or imbalance means in the market, like from here, this is what we call the fair value gap. Yeah, this is what we call the fair value gap. So now what are you waiting for now? Like we are waiting for market now to come back to this zone. So this what is it called? This strategy is just you focusing on fair value gaps and breakouts. Yeah, fair value gaps and combining fair value gaps with breakouts. Yeah. So what are you waiting for? Waiting for this market to come to this fair value gap. And mind you, once market comes to this fair value gap, you don't have to just jump in on the trade, or you need to wait for some kind of reaction. Once the market comes to the fair value gap, you need to wait for some kind of reaction before you can know that okay, the market wants to move towards the upside. Yeah. So let's play price and see what it's going to do if actually to come to this place. It actually come. As you can see, it actually came slightly to this area, but it didn't actually tap for me to leverage on it. As you can see, where is the long to? It didn't actually come. I didn't know. Okay, I actually marked the fair value gap well, but it didn't actually come. Yeah. So if the fair value gap occurs on the next move, all we do is we take our long two, or we place your stop loss should be at the nearest low. Now look at our nearest low here is this area. This is the low that should be our invalidation point or our SL point. Then what do we start target? We target like 2 hour or 3 hour. As you can see, this market are giving us from here. If it happens to be it tapped out in, if they are giving us like 2 hour, I think yeah, let's just target 3 hour. But 2 hour is okay. This is just a strategy. This is just like a scalping strategy for you to leverage on the moves gold has been doing for the past period of months now. So if the market should have tapped out in from here, at least we should have been in good profit right now. You can see we have been in good profit. So yeah, this is how this strategy is. So let's give this now another opportunity have come up here, which is this one too. This is another fair value gap, as you can see. This is another fair value gap. Let's just ignore this previous one that just happened. Now let's use this two again. This is another fair value gap, as you can see. Like I told you, what we are looking for is a buy opportunity. On our account, we should be looking for sell opportunity. So look at it here. This is another fair value gap. Yeah. From here to here is a fair value gap. A long candle that wasn't mitigated. That's what we call the fair value gap. You can see the market moved up. The market moved up, came back, and mitigated this fair value gap before moving towards the upside again. So what do? Once the market gives us a fair value gap like this, we put our entry point should be here. Then our stop loss should be below this fair value gap or below this nearest low here. But I think we should go for this area. This area should be our invalidation point. Then what do? Since it's a scalp strategy, you don't need to be looking for long, unless you want to hold further, like 2 hour, 3 hour. Why did I say 2 hour, 3 hour? Look at how I get my risk to reward. From here, you can see 2.4 to 1 hour. This is my risk to reward. Like if I'm risking $10 here, I get $2. If I'm risking $1,000 here, I get $2,000. Even $500, I get $1,000. So either you go for 2 hour or 3 hour, depending. But I do like going for 2 hour because I'm just trying to scalp the market with this strategy on a consistent and on a long run, like in a consistent basis. So now let's see again. Okay, this one took us out. So what do we do? And another thing you need to consider, when trading, once the market has given you at least 1 hour, from here you can see once the market has given you at least 1 hour, it's advisable that you should break even to protect your capital first. It's advisable that you should break even to protect your capital first. So this one, if at all we would have broke even, at least we wouldn't have taken this loss. At least the market would have been like a break even trade. But that's why they took a loss here. So now another opportunity has come. I think here. Now what do we wait for this market to break this area? Let me delete this. Yeah, look at this market. What do we wait? Waiting for this market to break this area and now retest to this fair value gap. Now let's see what's going to happen. Okay, market broke, and this is another entry for us. If I thought the market will come here, this is another entry for us. From here, this fair value gap here should be another entry for us if the market can come here because it has broken this high here, this high. Yeah. Okay, give me some moments. Okay, you see, it broke this high. It broke this high. So and yes, our the fair value gap is this place. So wait for the market. If at all the market will come here, wait for the market to come here. Then we'll look for a buy opportunity based on the reaction the market will give. Okay, you see, it came here, it tapped it immediately, and it moved towards the upside. As you can see, that was why I said this is scalp strategy. So we place our long two here, and yeah, these are long two. The SL. Sorry for that. Your SL will be here. We need this fair value gap, or beneath this low here. We need this nearest low. Anyone you want. We need the fair value gap, or beneath this lowest point. This point here. Beneath this nearest low. That's where your SL should be. Then your take profit will be 2 hour or 3 hour, as the case may be. Anyone you want, 2 hour or 3 hour. But like I said, 2 hour or 2.5 hour is okay. As you can see, this market has given us 2 hour. Let's see if you can give us 3 hour. Okay, 3 hour. You are giving us 3 hour. Yeah. Now what do we wait again? We wait for this market to break this high again. Although it has given us a fair value gap here, but this fair value gap we can't trade this fair value gap because why? It haven't broke this high to tell us that it wants to continue to the upside. So wait for this market to break this high. If the market breaks this high, then we should consider this fair value gap a valid fair value gap. And mind you, I said before you trade from this fair value gap, you have to wait for reaction. Although it has actually mitigated this fair value gap, I don't think this should be a very valid fair value gap because as you can see, this market, this red candle have mitigated this area. So this is not a fair value gap we should be looking at for. Let's wait for another fair value gap. Although it came here, it tapped here, and it's moving towards the upside, but you can't take this trade. Like I said, you can't take this trade, but it can be profitable. Okay, this one hit an SL. So what are you waiting for? Wait for a break. Yeah, you're looking for a break here. Yeah, waiting for the candle to give us another break with a fair value gap. Like you see, another fair value gap here. Yeah, this is another fair value gap here. Yeah, this is another fair value gap here. But I don't think this market will react from here. But nevertheless, this is us like trading the market like it is live. So what do? Any opportunity that we see, we take it. Although this seems mitigated, so I'm not interested in this fair value gap. This fair value gap looks mitigated with this candle here. So we keep moving. Let's see what is happening. Going to happen here too. Even this fair value gap is still held. As you can see, this fair value gap held. So that is just about this strategy. I don't want to make this video long. I'm just trying to make sure that we try to grab the strategy and in a life, like when you're trading the market in a live scenario. That was why I used the replay to in order not to start showing you do this level mitigated, and I just made it to look like something like that like the market is moving in a live scenario. So if you notice from the examples I gave so far, I think we only took one loss, and the rest of the trades have been a good trade with a 2 hour risk to reward and rest of them. So if you actually like want to know more about this strategy and how to get confirmations on trading this strategy properly, there will be a link in my description. Like you can chat me on my WhatsApp and you can talk more about it. Also, thank you and God bless you.